Good morning to all of you. I hope you're having a wonderful time. Recently, I have come across this thing that it is getting hype a lot, that manifestation. And there was a book called The Secret, where things have been written, what to do and all. But let me come to this fact that manifestation, that the YouTubers or the influencers have been telling, it's completely not in alignment with actual manifestation. Manifestation doesn't mean that early in the morning you woke up or somewhere you say that you want trillions and billions of dollars and that will come into your account. That is not manifestation. Manifestation is something what I think that it's an alignment with the primitive part. The primitive part means the trees where I'm standing, you can see at the top of my head, the trees that you see, it is in abundance. The air that I breathe, that is an abundance. The time that I am having, that is an abundance. The earth, the soil, the mud, the rain, the water, everything is in abundance. What is in this earth, that is in abundance. So it doesn't mean something man-made thing will be in abundance. No, the natural thing is in abundance. So manifestation is something how you spend it, how you take it, how you invest over there. Investment doesn't mean that in terms of money. Like I want to invest my time coming in this nature, amidst this nature and spend some time. That is manifestation. Well, I manifested that I'll be waking up early in the morning, spending some time with myself. I'll be talking to myself, with you as well. I might not be very good in talking terms regarding phone calls and all, but I'm very good in talking terms with myself while I'm recording. So manifestation is something which people have lost the essence. Early in the primitive part, when people were hunters, food gatherers and all, they didn't find the clue of nature. But as the evolution happened, people started growing crops, there was harvesting and all, and there started manifestation. That means I want to have this food. They dug the earth, they plowed the land, and then the manifestation started. So manifestation is also something which is intuitive sometimes. Like I will be doing this one, I'll be spending some time, I'll be breathing this air. So everything is free on this earth. Like yes, water you have to buy, but then soil provides water, you have fresh air, you have time to spend with nature. Like of course from those negative approaches and all, you can deflect yourself, you can overcome this part. So I think manifestation is something which is over here in this earth and how you take it.